Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with He's the Man suite of products from the new annual catalog. Yay! So this is the designer series paper. Has lots and lots of nice patterns for men. And this is a specialty pack of designer series paper because one of the pages, let me show you a full page because I've already taken mine apart. One of the pages of the designer series paper is like this. It's cutouts. So you just pop them right out the paper. You get 2 pages of that. Can you see that? I don't hope it's not too much of a glare. But yeah, I love this paper. So we're going to be using that. The He's the Man, He's All That stamp set along with the All That dies. And you can get this in a bundle and save 10% when you buy them together. And we're going to be using a couple of other things, but I'll get to those when we're in the project. But before we get started, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're starting off with our Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is available for you to subscribe to get it until May 10th, so you have a couple of more days. This kit contains supplies to make 10 cards with 2 different designs, and you have coordinating envelopes. This kit also has the opportunity for you to win a golden voucher, which is worth $25 of Stampin' Up product, okay? So there is a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to get the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have the May host code for May 2022. This is the code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. It changes every month. You can always find it on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com or on my Facebook page, Honeybee Stampin' Hive. If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on that. Next up, we have our starter kit promotion. This is going to be called, I think they're calling it the In Color Starter Kit, because in addition to only paying $99 plus tax, shipping is free. You get to choose $125 worth of product to put into your starter kit. And then on top of that, they're giving you $66.50 worth of in-color products in your starter kit. Yes, from May 3rd to the 31st, 2022, you're going to get this extra pack of in-color supplies in your starter kit and still only pay $99. Okay, so the products you're going to be getting our grid paper, a pack of variety pack of cardstock, the 8.5 by 11, the 5 ink pads for the in colors, and the 6x6 designer series paper assortment stack in colors. And this is the new 2022 to 2024 in colors. Okay, so that is a great deal. If you're thinking about joining Stampin' Up, I would love to have you on my team, Honeybee Stamping Hive. Love to have you. So that is it for our buzzworthy business of the day. And we're going to get right to our project. So let me show you all the things I have. I've done some things ahead of time so that we can cut down on our time here. So we have a card base of thick Whisper White that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then we have some basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4 for the inside, and then some scrap Whisper White for stamping and die cutting. Not Whisper White, basic white. Then we also have some soft succulent here. We have 3 3/4 by 5, which would be this one. That's for the inside. And then we have the 5 1/4 by 4. And you would need some scrap for die cutting, okay? Then we have our designer series paper at 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. We have this square at 2 3/4 squared. We have a circle that is about roughly 2 3/4, and I've already die cut this. And I die cut that with our new stylish shape dies. Yeah, stylish shapes with the second largest circle. Okay. Next we have 2 pieces. I think, let me see. Oh no. This is for the inside. So this was just cut off of here. So this is about 3/4 by 4. So that's for the inside of our card. And this strip here is 1/2 inch by 3 5/8. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started putting this together. I'm going to start with the inside of our card. So let me go ahead and get that put together. I want to stamp this little image here. It's like a screw. So I want to get that out. Use one of my little blocks here. And I'm going to stamp this with the smoky slate. And I'm just going to put them in the corners of our, oh, well, it would help if it was a little more even. Let's try down here. That looks a little better. Okay, so that's it for the inside of the card. And then we're just going to get that strip of designer paper I had, and we're going to glue this right across the bottom here. Using some multi-purpose liquid glue. We're just going to line that up. Okay, while that's drying a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and get out our main image or sentiment, and it's gonna be a Father's Day sentiment. Get a block here for that, and we're gonna go ahead and stamp that in crushed curry. And it says, wishing you a happy Father's Day. So let's see. I'm going to die cut this out, and I need to make sure I'm putting it the right way. And for the die cuts, I am using the Fabulous Frames. And I'm going to use this oval here, because there's a way this oval fits better. So yeah, we want it to go this way. So let's ink this up. Perfect. Oh. And we're going to die cut that out. So now that this is dry, we can go ahead and trim off this excess designer's paper, and then glue it to the soft succulent that I have for the inside of the card. Oop, I need to stay in frame. I am working on that, you guys. Oh, is this still wet enough to move? I didn't quite get that down to the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and glue this into the inside of our card. Why isn't the glue coming out on that side? Okay. So let's get our card here. We're just going to put this right on the inside. Just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this to this background. Man, I love this side of the paper, but that's not what I'm using today. That's why I put it on the inside, because I like this side of the paper a lot. But today we're going to be using the Early Espresso side. This is some really nice paper. I love the colors and everything. So let's get out our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss, so that we can die cut our sentiment. So we're going to have this right here. try to get it more at the top, because the way I'm going to be layering up things, I need the trying to make sure it's even though. Whoop. I want it more at the top and try to keep my oval even. So this die, I hope I didn't just move it. It cuts out an inside and also the frame. So it comes out in 2 different pieces. So you have options here. So see, you have this frame that you can use, and it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like an oval indentation here, and then it also has the little dots. So that's cute. You can use that for something. Let's put our die back onto our sheet so we don't misplace it. And okay, so we can start building the card. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this onto the base. That is all of our stamping and die cutting done. I think. Yeah, it should be. I need to find my piece because I did do some die cutting ahead of time. I have another little piece. So this soft succulent piece that I said you're going to need scrap, an extra piece of scrap, I used the all that dies from the bundle, and I used this little arrow here to cut that out. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? Let's put on our little square. This is, look at this. This is such a fun little cow, barbecue stuff, a bottle of sauce, a pig. This is such a cute pack of designer paper. So this is square, so it doesn't matter what's up and down. Got a little fuzzies. Guys, I go through cutting blades for my trimmer. Oh my gosh, like crazy. I'm gonna put this towards the top and over to the right. Trying to make sure it's straight. And next up, we will do our circle. Man, see, both sides of the paper are so gorgeous. Can you see this pattern? It's really hard to see the color difference, but it's cute. Okay. Just gonna get some glue on there. And this one is gonna go, I wanna leave a little bit of that square poking out right there. Try to get the images straight up and down. But I'm gonna, oh, maybe not that high up. About like that. Okay. Then we're gonna put on our little strip here. Can you see? It's cars on the back side of this one, like classic cars. I'm just gonna put this. About like this right there. And I'm using, what am I using? This is a card sketch, Casing Tuesday card sketch 348. Okay, now I have to decide. This is gonna go, I need this up. Why did I put it so low? Up, 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 up. I love this liquid glue. Gives you time to move things around. I knew this needed to go more in the middle. Okay, do I want to pop this up on dimensionals? I don't know. Doesn't really need it. No, I'm gonna leave it like this. We're just gonna glue this straight down in the middle of this circle here, or with this strip in the middle of it, of the oval. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna glue this down and pop it right on top. And I want it to be like this. just like that. Whoop. Stay straight. Did I put the oval on straight? So that'll be straight like that. Okay, and also in this suite are some rustic metallic dots, adhesive-backed dots. They're kind of like the, these are rustic. The other ones were, that we have available. Where are they? I just used them, I thought. I just wanted to show you the difference, but now I can't even find them. Oh, here they are. These are called the brush metallic adhesive dots. So they're basically the same, but they're a different color. These are darker. Yeah, these look more, give you more. Why didn't I cut these open? Okay, this needs to be cut. I'll do it in a minute. Now, I don't know where I want to put these. Let's see, there's 2 different sizes. Looks like, yep, just 2. I know, let's put one up here in the corner. Put something there. We can put a small one. Come on. There we go. Maybe right here. Yeah. And then we can put another small one right here, maybe. I think that it's kind of too even with that one. No, I like it. That's good. And this glue will dry, and I have a little glue eraser I'll use to get that off of there. But that is our card, you guys. Done. Isn't it cute? I like it. Yep, I like it. I hope you like it too. But that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.